So on this short video, I'm going to show you how to paint rocks underwater, which for new artists, probably a little bit daunting to tackle subjects like that. And this is a very simplified version. It was a very painterly painting. This was done on a members live stream today, actually. We painted the whole scene. So let's get into it and let's see how simple this could be.
So that's the right colour and the right tone of value for that rock that's underwater. And it's got soft edges all the way around. So that's what I'm doing. I'm matching the shape, the values, and what sort of edges it's got. And then slightly darker green. And that's when painting becomes easy. You know, when you start thinking in that way, that you're not painting water, the liquid, and you're not painting the sand underneath. You're just painting what you see there. Darker green there underneath. Again, it's got soft edges. Slightly more towards yellow. What is important is the quality of the edge, that it's a soft edge. So I've got a hard edge there at the moment. So if I just soften that, hopefully we get something that will resemble a rock underwater. And that's all I'm after, something that resembles. I don't need a photographic image.
So that was a very quick explanation of how to do it, and you can imagine obviously the more time you spend on the edges, matching the colours, and obviously more rocks, etc., it's very believable, but actually very straightforward. That once the mind stops playing tricks on you and you just paint what you see, it all becomes much easier. Obviously this scene wasn't really about the rocks under the water, it was more about the waterfall. But if you want to join me on tier 2 of my website, you can watch the whole video. So until next time, bye for now.